As part of the Greater Accra Metropolitan Assembly sanitation project financed by the World Bank, storm drains were installed at the Mallam Junction to end the perennial flooding which occurs in the area. The flooding made the roads inaccessible for motorists and submerged many homes along the stretch. The situation further led to the closure of a filling station which constantly suffered the harsh impacts of the floods. But following the installation of the drains, these challenges have significantly reduced. As the final part of the works is set to commence, heavy vehicular traffic is expected in order to make way for workers as they asphalt the road. Gabriel Engman is the engineer for the project and he gives details on what road users should expect.
The works have been broken into 3 stages as at the first time. Now, the first stage, which would be on the Awoshi-Kaswa route, would look at 3 nights. So the first night, we'll just be doing some preparatory works and cutting the sections that we will be working on because we placed some temporary material there. On the second night, we would remove the temporal material there and prepare the road, the bed for asphalting. And then on the third night, we would place the asphalt, roll, and then compact. So every evening, we would want to start around 10 in the evening, and hopefully by 5 a.m. we would be done. So the first night, second night will be 10 to 5 a.m. And on the day we are going to lay the asphalt, which is the third day, we would have to start from 10 p.m. and be likely to finish by 8 a.m. in the morning. So the road will be closed to traffic on that night till we finish. And when we finish, we'll move on to the second stage and the third stage. It will follow the same order. So then we'll use as our traffic diversion routes, you know, where those moving from Awoshi to Kaswa will be diverted onto the Kaneshi-Kaswa route. When we are done and we move to the Kaneshi-Kaswa route, the vehicles would be diverted onto the Kaswa-Kaneshi route. And then when we move on to the third stage, which is the Kaswa-Kaneshi route, we'll divert traffic onto the Kaneshi-Kaswa route. So we've had this plan in place, and we are sure that on the 5th of August, 8th of August, and then the 11th of August, that's at night, we'll be doing the asphalt works. So basically, that's the plan that we have. And we would want to get the public, the motorists, the road users, and the various stakeholders aware of this.
Reporting for City News here at the Mallam Junction Storm Drain Construction Site, my name is Michael Obodu.